Alright, hello everyone. In this video, I want to discuss ARF and RMF files for doing spectrum modeling of nicer data in Xspec, because I've gotten this question a handful of times, and I recently had a very fantastic conversation with one of you viewers in the comment section of my nicer spectrum and light curve product extraction tutorial video. I'll link that in the description down below if you want to see any of those comments or maybe watch that video. But pretty much I've gotten this question a number of times because pretty simply, there are no ARF or RMF files that are generated when you extract a spectrum from nicer data. And the reason for that is there is no way right now to generate or create ARF and RMF files to go along with your spectrum file from nicer data, which is a bit problematic because that raises the question, then how are you supposed to do spectrum modeling in Xspec? But the really simple solution to this is you can go to this link. This is, I think, in the proposal tool section of Nicer. I'll link it in the description down below. But the short answer is that there is a generic ARF, RMF, and background file that you can download that the Nicer team has provided to us, and those are really your only options right now for getting the proper ARF, RMF, and the necessary files you need to do spectrum modeling in Xspec. Now, the other thing that they have provided is they have some extra software that does not get installed with HeaSoft that is a background estimator tool. So you don't necessarily need to use their generic background file to do a background subtraction. You can use their background estimator tool once you get that installed and configured. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how to do that, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be willing to do that. But that is really the short answer to all of this. You have to use their generic files. There is no way to generate ARF or RMF files. Now, there are two approaches that I have seen people take, or that I have taken myself, that are inappropriate. So, first of all, do not try to write your own code to generate your own ARF and RMF files. Again, it's inappropriate. It will not work. Don't try and do that, okay? The second thing is that in the XMM-Newton SAS software, there is an RMF and ARF gen tool. Those are mission specific to XMM-Newton. Do not try to use those for Nicer, as it will yield inappropriate files that you should not use with doing spectrum modeling in Xspec, okay? The other thing I do want to quickly mention is that, remember that when you're doing your spectrum modeling, that these are generic ARF and RMF files. So whatever the results are that you get, whenever there becomes a way to generate specific ARF and RMF files, if there even is a way later on in the future, you should go back and retest all your data and see if anything drastically changes with your results, and then make proper edits to any publications or any other work that you decide to do at that time. But that'll pretty much do it for this video. Again, I just wanted to make this short, quick video for all of you because I've gotten this question a handful of times, and it is a little bit confusing, but hopefully this was able to help you out in one way or another. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you interacted with the video in some way, just so that it would, boost a little bit more in the search engine rankings, so that more people looking for help with this can actually get help with this quickly and easily. But otherwise, that'll pretty much do it. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time.